From today forward, I am being a point guard. In my work, we sell machinery. And I've been constantly thinking about how I need to delegate, how I need to um, try not to do everything. Because if I if I try to do everything, I'm not going to do a good job on much. I'm either going to not get much done, or it's just gonna be a mess. But I have a few issues. One issue is my ego, that I think I'm the best deal maker, that I've made a study of things, that I know what I'm going to do, that I know this person and they don't know this person, that this should be my deal, that this should be my task because I know how to do it better than these other people. And then the other problem is I feel like if I ask other people to do it, that means that I'm lazy, that I'm not trying to do my part. And today, I'm shifting my mindset. This came about because I was working from home. I felt too tired to drive in. And I often feel self-conscious when that happens. It looks like I'm not doing my share, that I should be in work. I should be in the office. That would mean that I was there. I was being a leader. I was doing something. And though it's important to be there, to be present, to show up, I know that that's only a small piece of what it means to be a good leader, to run a business. Instead of trying to be the guy who scores all the time, who creates this cool thing or that cool thing because I know better, I'm going to be a point guard. And I'm not going to be a point guard so people can do shit for me so I can be better. I'm going to be a point guard so they can win. If other people that I'm working with are winning, then we're all winning. I need to pass them the ball. Not to do shit for me, but for them to win.